you have to knock it down. Just hit it that way. Like you, yeah, just like that. And if not, just hold on for dear life.
Thanks.
Go ahead. Go down!
Oh God! My hand! It changed the color of the metal, it got so hot.
Where? Let's see.
There! That was my hand!
Ow!
You set the can over?
Can you push it down in there? You're gonna light and drop? Okay. Move your hands away when you get a chance. Watch out!
Holy shit! Corey, the whole fucking jar blew up. The whole fucking jar. There's glass everywhere. I told you. Yeah.
Did we blow up the paintballs?
Most of them, they're all over the place. All over the...